sabi nga po natin, si General Torre ay napakagaling na public servant at maaari po pa rin siyang magsilbi sa bayan. So, confirm po na may inaalok pong posisyon. At maaari na po tayong tumanggap ng inyong mga katanungan.
Please be reminded that only one follow-up question is allowed. Thank you. Para po sa unang katanungan, Ms. Maricel Halili, TV5.
Magandang umaga po, Yusek. Yusek, tungkol po kay General Torre, ano po yung posisyon na sinasabing pwedeng ialok ng Pangulo kay General Torre?
Hindi pa po natin maisisiwalat ang detalye patungkol po dito. Pero confirm po na may inaalok pong posisyon.
But may we know the reason or what convinced the President to relieve General Torre as PNP chief? We all know na nagkaroon po sila ng issues between NAPOLCOM and General Torre. But what really convinced the President to remove him?
Maliwanag lang po siguro ang pagkakasabi ni Secretary John Vic Rimulya kahapon at mayroon mga issues na hindi na pagkasunduan at we just have to respect the wisdom of the President on this matter.
Sorry, just one quick follow-up po. Pero ganun po ba katindi yung naging issue? Because despite the things that were accomplished by General Torre, he led the arrest of former President Duterte, kay Pastor Quiboloy, and this messy transition could have been prevented if the position was announced first, the new position was announced first before he was relieved. So, what really happened?
Huwag naman natin masabi nagkaroon ng messy transition because nagkausap naman po sila at alam po natin na naiintindihan ni General Torre kung ano yung naganap at nirerespeto rin po niya kung ano po yung naging desisyon ng Pangulo.
Sorry ma'am, alam ko hanggang 2 questions lang, but quick follow-up. Is it a cabinet position po yung i-offer kay General Torre?
Ibibigay po namin na detalye kapag po naayos na po at nabigay na po ang pagsang-ayon ni General Torre.
Okay, salamat po, Yusek.
Thank you. Luisa Cabato, Inquirer.net.
Good morning po, Yusek. Ano pong reaksyon ng Malacanang sa sinabi ng Makabayan Bloc na yung pagkaalis po kay Torres sa posisyon shows that there are widening cracks sa Marcos administration?
Hindi po yan nangyayari at hindi po yan ang nakikita natin dahil sabi nga po natin, si General Torre ay napakagaling na public servant at maaari po pa rin siyang magsilbi sa bayan. So hindi po natin nakikita na kung ano yung nakikita ng Makabayan Bloc.
Thank you. Tristan Odalo, Newswatch Plus.
Hi Yusek, good morning po. Si Davao Acting Mayor Baste Duterte sa isang interview po sa The Netherlands ay kinwestiyon yung motive ng flood control probe ng Marcos administration. He even said that it is a PR stunt kasi ginagawa niyang press release yan ngayon, PR stunt niya ngayon yan, arguing that Marcos cannot escape accountability after 3 years in office. So maybe the question is, how does Malacanang want to assure the public that this probe is not just for image cleansing?
Sino po yung sinabi niyong public official?
Mayor Baste po.
Nasaan po siya ngayon?
Nasa The Netherlands.
Wala po sa Davao City. Okay. Kung sinasabi niya po na ito'y PR stunt, manood na lamang po siya.